Filming up.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome YouTubers and Pierce family and my mafia entourage. It's Switch night. We've just gone to Wickham and we just picked up our pre-ordered Switch Neon, and this is the unbox. Wow, look how small that is.
Whoa.
Look
It's
how small.
tiny.
That's sick, isn't it?
Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my god, it's light as well.
I can't believe how small it is.
Yeah, wow, look at that sickness.
Wow.
And Zelda's been dispatched. Amazon have messaged me while I was in the queue to buy it. It's been dispatched, so we get to play Zelda at some point tomorrow. Oh wow! Oh my god, it feels so dinky.
Wow.
How are you supposed to play Bomberman with that? That is the smallest thing I've ever played. Oh, it's got
It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be.
tabletop mode.
Mm-hmm.
Switch, yeah! Oh my god, it feels so weird. Well, so that's the Switch. Got the wristband things, plug, and the dock. Oh, so small. Isn't it, sweetheart?
It is.
And the dock.
Hey.
How's that working? Should have really look at the instructions. So.
Wow.
It's going to take some getting used to. Oh yeah, of course, it's got the grip inside as well. Oh, this is the grip.
Mm.
Oh yeah, that's pretty neat actually. I don't feel that bad.
Oh wow.
Well, there you go. Heavy. Right.
Wait, do it again.
Done?
Yeah.